Hello, I'm Wayne Snell, Group Product Manager for bizhub MFP for the office range for Konica Minolta. Now, the way I say office, the bizhub C652 is our flagship office machine, equally at home in the print room or in the service bureau. The bizhub C652 has to be easy to use because it may not have a dedicated trained operator. And we've developed this machine for really easy accessibility. We take a look at the 8.5-inch high-resolution touch panel. This is both tiltable and turnable, so it reduces overhead glare and also aids access even in wheelchair. In fact, the touch panel also has a full help menu, so we can actually go into the help key and pull up even videos of how to replenish maybe toners or even the staple cartridge in the finisher if it's expired. Well, of course, ease of operation is important, but controlling access is also vital. You might need to control who has access to the machine, whether they can print, whether they can print in colour, or even scan or even fax. One of the difficulties has been is that can sometimes be quite difficult or time consuming. So we've developed some really good technologies. One of them is finger vein authentication. Just place your finger into the cradle. The machine's registered, automatically releases my account with my particular restricted access to that account. The C652 is fast. It cruises at 50 prints per minute in full colour and also at very high resolution because it uses the very latest symmetry polymerised toner. In fact, being a compact machine, you'd be surprised to learn that it has up to 6,550 sheets online with feeding up to 256 GSM and even 300 GSM from the bypass. Productivity is not just about speeds and feeds, it's also about uptime and maximising the availability of the machine. So the C652 can replenish paper, empty tray, go straight to another tray that's got the same media capability. Also toner replenishment, so if it runs out of toner, whilst it's in a big print run, you can replenish the toner on the fly. The C652 is an excellent communication device as well. It has fax and also you have full scan to email, scan to a user box on somebody's desktop PC and even scan to an FTP server. In fact, it scans at 78 originals per minute and it also scans into a hard drive. It's a 250 gigabyte hard drive, can take a lot of documents and can go into personal boxes. I've set one up here actually. If I go to user box and go to a folder I've just called Wayne and go to use file, I can even see a thumbnail, check the document before I forward it to a client. The inline finishing for the 652 is really comprehensive. You can do Z folding, you can do tri-folding or roll folding, and of course you can do saddle stitching with crease fold and centre staple. In fact, the saddle stitcher for an office machine is very, very comprehensive because it can do practically unlimited booklet finishing. In other words, you can place a box and it will just keep filling the box provided there's sufficient paper inside the machine.